Alright guys, that red Yamaha Blaster 1988. How to tear it down. Make sure you're timed. I took it apart. This gear was loose and it was flipped. Make sure your dots are lined up. Okay, Yamaha Blaster. All years. Everything's fine. Back to the KX or the KTM 105 SX. We're just waiting on parts. Customer didn't get them yet, so it's looking good. You already know. These are the blaster parts. Cylinder's okay. The clutch is pretty nice. We got some Vito's stuff ready to go. Oil injection, delete. Stay tuned.